Hey guys, Braxton Boys back here. So I'm on call this week. I know I haven't posted a video in quite some time, so hopefully we'll get back into it. It's 10 o'clock and I got an AC call, so let's go check it out, see what we have going on, see if we can't do anything for our customers. Low pressure is about 65 there. High side is about 326, 325, 326. I'm gonna check the capacitor on it, and maybe that's it. Let's find out. Alright, so I just opened it up. Nice, a lot of rust up here. Seems to be an old one. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect it and get a reading on it. So checking the MFD on the capacitor, I'm at 4.3 on the fan. Let's check the Herm. So from common to Herm, I'm at 19.4, and it's supposed to be 35. So let's change that capacitor, see if we get an improvement. Alright, so I just replaced this and just tested it. It is spot on, 5 and 30 and a half. The pressures, right where they should be. Drop, then crawl back up, and we'll see if we need to top it off. Alright, it's been about 5 minutes. Pressure's coming back up to where I like it. High side's still a little high, but it is about 80 inside. We're going to see where the vapor line or the suction side levels off at here. But the liquid line, I'm about 300 right now. So a little high for me. Alright, so after it's settled out, I'm at 62. No, I'm at 80s. Yeah, 80 there. Alright guys, so inside it was 78 at the intake, and it was blowing out 63, 62, 63. So I feel comfortable. It was the capacitor. I'm gonna have the guys come by tomorrow and just double check the pressures. And temperature really does have an effect with it, so let temperature come back down to room temperature, let it settle out, and pressure should be back to normal. So another wonderful night for On-Call. This is Chauncey. I'll see you on the next one. Later.